everyone, thank you for joining me. Today I found a really fun recipe. We have the Togepi confetti mug cake. It's a nice, quick, easy one. As you can see, there's only 2 stages. And I just thought, if it's a rainy day and you just want to watch a film and you want a good snack, this is probably something quick and easy to sort out. So yeah, let's have a look, let's get started. Let's go through everything we've got. We've got 15 grams of unsalted butter. Make sure this mug is microwavable. Some of them aren't, so just double check the bottom, it should tell you. We've got 30 grams of sugar. We will need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract in a moment. We've got a quarter teaspoon of salt to put in, 1 egg, 30 grams of plain flour. We've got a quarter teaspoon of baking powder and 1.5 tablespoons of sprinkles. So to begin with, we are putting our butter in the mug, which I have done, and then we're going to microwave it in sort of 5 to 10 second intervals until the butter is starting to soften and just about beginning to melt. And then we will stir in the sugar, vanilla, salt and milk. Yeah, that really didn't take very long. I put it in for 10 seconds and it's already on its way to starting to melt. So yeah, as I said, we need our sugar, 30 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of our vanilla. I normally put in more than what it asks for, so I think I am just going to put a whole one in. Sure, it'll be fine. Salt and milk. So our salt was a quarter of a teaspoon. I do use salted butter in everything I use, so it shouldn't need much. Milk. What I will say with milk, if you're unsure about weighing it out and you haven't got a jug that does 15 ml, it will weigh the same in mil as it does in grams. I mean, most scales today will do mil, but it'll weigh the same regardless on if you're doing grams or mil. So let's get all that together. We are then adding our egg. We then need our 30 grams of flour, quarter teaspoon of the baking powder and our 1.5 tablespoons of sprinkles. Lovely, obviously make sure that is all mixed in properly. We are now going to microwave it for a minute to 1 minute 20. So mine's been in for 1 minute 20. You can see sort of a couple of stab marks there. Just give it a jab with a knife just to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Yes, let's cut it open, see what it looks like in the middle. If I can do this one-handed. It turns out I cannot. I've just flipped one half over just so you can kind of see. Obviously we have got our sprinkles in there. It's all cooked all the way through, even, just 1 minute 20. Yeah, it looks really good, so give it a go, guys. It's just topping it with ice cream, so I think that'll be a really good movie night snack. Let me know what you think. As always, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.